Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use your Canva website template in Google Sites. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open two different tabs and then you just have to log into your Google Sites account. And then on the other tab, log into your Canva website. And of course, you just have to select your Canva website design. Okay, so once you're here, just go back to Google Sites and then I'm just going to create a blank site. Alright, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then after that, right here at the right side of the screen, you can see this embed option. Okay, so let's leave this tab for now and go to the Canva website. So after that here, after selecting your Canva design, you just have to tap on the share option that you can see at the top right of the screen. And then here, look for the embed option, tap on the see all. That's right, and then select embed. Then here you have the HTML and the smart embed link. So make sure to copy the HTML embed code. So copy this one and go back to Google Sites and then tap on the embed option. So here we have by URL or embed code. So since we have copied the HTML embed code, we are going to select this one and then paste here your code. After that, tap on next. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds until you can see here now in your site. Okay, after that, you just have to tap on the insert option. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here now the Canva design. So all you have to do is to expand this section. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.